Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create and manage the Zendesk tickets. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the Zendesk official website, and when you're there you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can go to your YouTube channel where you have plenty of Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here we have the official page, as you can see, where you can go get started. You can go and create your tickets, ticketing system, you see the agent productivity, messaging and live chat, reporting tickets, etc, etc. Also, here you can go and see your unsolved tickets, which are unsolved at the moment. So this is not creating tickets, this is the unsolved tickets. You can go and click here to see the customers, so you can go and change the information about all your customers here in one place. Of course, here we have the organizations, as you can see. We have the reporting, where you can go and see the setup your Zendesk support, Zendesk guides, Zendesk talk, and the Zendesk chat. Now in the top right corner, you have your profile basically, and all the information about your profile. So you have your product updates, you have the get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback. You can see the about, privacy policy, and the sign out option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create and manage Zendesk tickets. So first of all, you need to go to your ticketing system, and here you need to set up that. So basically you can go and see that. So manage all tickets in one place. So in the Zendesk workplace, you can see all the contact information, interactions, and loop in terms. So you can go and see this video for more information about that. And of course, your tickets are also here. So you can manage your tickets here, the unsolved ones, you can go and check them. And when you check one, you can see that you can go edit it, merge it, mark it as spam, delete, or whatever you want to do. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.